Hey everyone, Gil here at Camp Pet and Family Compound. I'm going to be putting more of these Members Mark LED walkway lights on across here. Put them up here for the winter time so no one slips or slides or trips out here on the steps out here. All right, so let's get it set up. All right, so as I mentioned, the other one, they come in 3 pieces, comes wrapped like this. You got this one here, which is actually 2 pieces. So you got the spike and you got the leg here. Just kind of put this together like this. Now it's ready to go in, except I got to remember, this is what that little tab was I was talking about. Pulls it out and it's good to go. Okay. I got my little driver here to create a hole. That fits down in there. But now I got the first one in. I got to figure out what I'm going to do on the rest of it here. Got my measuring device down there. I'm going to go ahead and measure this to see how far apart I need to space these. So it came up to 49 feet, and I don't have my calculator with me, so I'm going to have to try to brain fart it here. 49 divided by 14. Yes, there are 15 of them, but I got one at the 0 point. So 49 times divided by 14. Well, 15 would be 45, be 5 feet apart. So about 5 foot, approximately about 5 foot apart. Maybe 5.5 feet. Okay, so the next one goes in here. Just had a realization that my math was wrong. Should have been about 14 goes into 50 feet, about 3 1/4. I didn't get all the way down there before I realized I miscalculated. But that's what happens when you get old and become a senior citizen. Alrighty, so I got 15 of them in here. I'm going to take talk to my wife, see if she wants me to go back and get a couple more of these, or if she thinks these are enough for it. If we get more, we'll put them on the other side here of the walkway. But I think it does pretty good there. Okay, sun's going down and the lights are out here on the front walkway. I mean, I love these things. It is so slick, looks so neat. And you can tell right where the edge of the sidewalk is because the line's jogged, so there's no mistaking where the line of it is. This is cool. Well, Yeah, so I may see about getting some more to put them over on the other side of the walkway. Anyways, before I go, I'm going to put up a link to a video right up here, and then I'm going to put another video down here. Gray man prepping I'll stick up over on this side, and then this channel I'll put it down here for those that aren't subscribed yet. Alrighty, see you around.